Welcome back, GlowFit family. If you joined us for Day 5 Classic Tabata, today is your chance to level up. This is the next step in your Tabata journey, a challenge to beat your own limits. If you haven't seen Day 5 yet, go back, watch it, and compare your reps to today's session. The rules are simple. 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, 5 total rounds of jumping squats. Your goal? More reps than last time. Every round is an opportunity to improve. So count your reps, push yourself, and let's see how much stronger you've become. To get the best results, place your device laptop, mobile, or tablet in front of you and follow along with us. This way, you can stay engaged, perform each move correctly. Complete your 30-day bodyweight challenge with confidence. Stay consistent, push yourself, and remember, watch this video till the end and repeat it as many times as needed to memorize the movements. Workout structure: Tabata challenge. Exercise: jumping squats, 5 rounds. Work time: 20 seconds. Rest time: 10 seconds. Why Tabata? Tabata is one of the best ways to increase endurance, boost metabolism, and burn calories in a short time. The key is to push as hard as you can during those 20 seconds. This is where real progress happens. Exercise breakdown: jumping squat, 5 rounds. Round 1, find your baseline. Let's start strong. Jump high, land soft, and count your reps. This number is your starting point. Tip: engage your core and legs for explosive power. Don't slam your heels, land softly. 10-second rest before round 2. Round 2, maintain your reps. Keep the same energy and focus on consistency. Match your first round. Tip: control your breathing. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth to maintain endurance. 10-second rest. Round 3, step it up time to increase the pace. If you hit 6 reps before, go for 7 or 8 now. Tip: use your arms for momentum. Swing them up as you jump to gain height. 10-second rest. Round 4, push beyond your limits. Your muscles are burning, but this is where real progress happens. Try to add 1 more rep than before. Tip: smile through the burn. It tricks your brain into pushing harder. 10-second rest. Round 5, all-out effort, final round. Give everything you've got. Imagine this is the last 20 seconds of a competition finished strong. Think about your goal. Every extra rep brings you closer to your fittest self. 10-second rest. Cool down and reflection. You did it! 5 rounds, no excuses. Now, take a deep breath and look at your total rep stat. How does today's performance compare to day 5? If you've improved even by 1 rep, that's progress. If not, don't worry, that just means you have a new challenge for next time. Your mission. 1. Drop your total reps in the comments. Let's see how much stronger we're getting as a GlowFit family. 2. Rewatch this video and track your reps again. Each time, aim for at least 1 more rep. 3. Go back and watch Day 5's Tabata workout, compare and challenge yourself to beat that score. Like, share, and watch again. Progress is all about consistency, so keep showing up, and let's get stronger together.